Today we're going to do a Daisy, which you can do with like any type of liquor. You can use this exact same base, so you could do an Applejack Daisy, a Brandy Daisy, Whiskey Daisy, Gin Daisy. What we're going to do is a Rum Daisy. As previously noted, there is little, if any, difference between these two types of classic drinks, daisies and fixes. Most of the old fix recipes call for pineapple syrup, whereas daisies usually use raspberry syrup or grenadine. This, however, is relatively unimportant. Both drinks are of the sour type, employing citrus juices, fruit syrups or liqueurs, and a spirituous liqueur. The daisy is sometimes strained into a Delmonico or small highball glass, but is also proper and, in my opinion, preferable to serve it with straws in a goblet, a stein, or best of all, a silver mug full of fine ice, exactly the same as a fix. The drink should be muddled with a long spoon until the outside of the glass or mug becomes frosted. I'm not gonna do any of that. I will make this in a tiny mug, or put it in a mug with ice. This is going to be a Rum Daisy. Start off with 1 part grenadine. I'm gonna use the small part of the jigger because the parts of rum are a little intimidating, even with small servings. We got 2 parts lime juice. I always recommend to do like the actual lime juice squeezed from a fresh lime, but we don't have any right now, so this will have to do. Makes a huge difference. It's very weird. 2 parts, so just a big boy. And then 8 parts rum. I'm using gold rum. Probably be prettier to use clear rum, but gold rum tastes better. Then I'm just going to shake it up without ice because I'm going to put ice in the tin cups because I'm splitting this into 2 drinks. So silent. Still nice and bright red. We don't have crushed ice, we just have ice cubes. You're supposed to do this until, like, stir it with like a ton of crushed ice until it gets really like frosty on the outside. The outside's cold at least. I'm not good at doing these correctly. Okay, we're gonna try this. This is a Rum Daisy.
Not bad.
It's fine.
I had T-Rex hands.
Yeah, I don't know what to do with my hands. Yeah, I think it's fine. It's not anything to write home about, but it's also like, I wouldn't turn this down.
Yeah, I wouldn't say there's anything bad about it. It's not super duper sweet. It's not.
Yeah.
I don't know.
This actually might be pretty good with, I wouldn't want to ruin a whiskey with this.
No, don't be ridiculous.
This would probably be better with gin, honestly, because the gin would add a little bit more flavor with the floral parts of it. And I thought that maybe the rum would be a better option because of the lime juice. You can also do this with lemon juice as another option. That would probably be better for whiskey. I don't know, that's all I have to say about this. It's pretty good. We'll have it. Whatever. Have a great day. Do what you like with liking. Whatever. Like and subscribe!